See, my dear children, the water chapter is written by, yes, those who are absent, let me revise. Who written by whom? Chinua Achebe, a foreign writer. ಒಬ್ಬ ಫಾರಿನ್ ರೈಟರ್ ಅವರು, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? Yes, he is a Nigerian novelist, a poet, everything. Got it? It's clear. Next, what is the theme of this? See, the question will raise in a criticism way, criticize way ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತದ್ದು ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಥೀಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್? ಮುಖ್ಯ ಉದ್ದೇಶವೇನು, ಈ ಪಾಠದ ಉದ್ದೇಶವೇನು? ಕತೆ ಹೇಳದ ಅಥವಾ ಟು ಟೀಚ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಅಂತ. The theme of the lesson is the political values regarding the political system of your nation. Especially, he is focusing on his own country. Okay, South Africa ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಆ ನೈಜೀರಿಯಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ. Okay, let me start then today's last page. We are in the last page. Yes. See there. What happened now? Now, all were very busy and many of them, they started to vote. They were moving towards the booth. The same time, the slogans, they were saying the slogans. Which slogans? Vote for car, vote for car, vote for PAP, vote for PAP. The same time, what happened? The roof punched one statement. One punchana ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, punching point. ಏನಂತ ಅದು? If you vote for head, your heads are not correct ಅಂತ. Those who vote for head, those heads are not correct ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವ್ರ ತಲೆ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ದವರಿಗೆ ಅಂತ. Okay, so now listen, my dear children. Is it visible? Hello? Yes. Today we'll complete it. Okay. See here. Now those village women means illiterate women. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? Yesterday we come to know that those illiterate women means uneducated women. What happened here? They are very enthusiasm and good humor. They said, ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಏನಂತ? if we don't means what? ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವುಗಳು ಅಂತ. if we don't, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಕಾರನ್ನ ಹತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? tomorrow our kids will, tomorrow our children will means what? They will ride it. Don't forget, because they had I put the same sharp old girl said means in that group. Okay, the band struck up a new number. Why walk when you can ride? See there, the band means the group anta illen drum set alla idu. The group come up with new ideas, new slogans. What was that slogan? Why to walk? yak nadibeku when you can ride. Ride means what? car. ಕಾರೇ ನಮಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಯಾಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಸಾಗಿಸಬೇಕು? our Marcus EB should win. Clear? Next, in spite of this apparent calm and confidence means who is having confidence? The chief. Who is the chief? Marcus EB is having confidence that he will win. How he will win? He was a relentless ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪನೂ ಕೂಡ he knows that he will win the election, but also he is doing more work. Okay, the stickler ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ he is sticking to his work. He is not ready to leave it. He is worrying about what? My one vote also should not go to my opponent party anta. He knows what? He will win the election anta. Okay, now he knew what? He knew he would win. Nodi illede, he knew he would win what the newspaper called a landslide victory. Nodi, avanigu kuda gottu ಏನಂತ? This time I will win the election. Now after I won, what will happen? In the newspaper they will print it. What they will print? A landslide victory. To whom? To PAP party, for Marcus EB. ಬಹುಮತದಿಂದ ಮಾರ್ಕಸ್ ಇಬಿನವರು PAP ಪಾರ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಗೆದ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ print ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That also I don't, he did not wish even so to throw away a single vote. Throw away a single vote means what? Throw away means he is not ready to give his one single vote to POP party. So as soon as the first rush the voters was over, nodi, first means what? First trip of the voters, already they went inside and they cast their vote. Okay, he promptly asked his companion boys, see the campaign boys, campaign, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಹಳ ಜನ ಹೋಗಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ he means ಮಾರ್ಕಸ್ ಇಬಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಟು ಹಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪೇನ್ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್, ಅವ್ರೆಲ್ಲ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ವ ಅವನ ಜೊತೆನೆ ಇದ್ದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಗೋ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್ ಯು ಗೋ, ಓಕೆ, ಪುಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆಟ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್, ಹೋಗಿ ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಹೋಗಿ ಗೋ 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 ಅಂತ. ದೆನ್ ರೂಫ್, ಓ ರೂಫ್, ಹೂ ಸೆಡ್? ಎಸ್, ಮಾರ್ಕಸ್ ಇಬಿ ಸೆಡ್, ಓ ರೂಫ್, ರೂಫ್, you go, you had a better go first, ನೀನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗೋ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. See, this is the trust of Marcus EB on Roof. Same time what happened now? See there, Roof streets fell. ಏನು ಅವನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಂತ ಹುರುಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಿದ್ದೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. What does it mean? Understood now? Because he is in the trauma now. His mind is not clear. He is cheating his own owner. He is the own manipulator. He is the manipulator. He himself manipulating himself. Why? So because he took 5 pounds from the opponent party. See here. But he let no one see it. All morning he had masked his deep worry with his surface exertion, which was unusual even for him. What does it mean? What does it mean? Spirits fell. ಇದು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಕಾಣಲಿಲ್ಲ. No one see it. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ because he was working for still he is saying the slogans, still he is calling out the slogans of PAP party, vote for PAP party ಅಂತ. All morning he had masked. Election morning ಇಂದನೋ he had masked ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ he did not wear mask. His heart, his mind, because two mindset is there now. Okay, he is cheating his own owner. This is the thing here. Now he dashed off in his springly fashion towards the booths. See there, means what does it mean? Morning he was very enthusiastic, now he become very lazy, means he is not putting his steps quickly. Okay, from so many days we already come to know without rest, they are doing day and night work at last moment also. Now what happened here? He started to move towards the booth ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ ಆ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. The policeman at the entrance searched him for the illegal ballot. Illegal ballot means what? Many of them, they will cast their vote more than one time. Some of them they will come up with other voters, other voter ID card ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರದ್ದು ಅವ್ರು ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾವ್ರೆ. See, these are the illegal ballot ಅಂತ. So he checked it, he passed him means he went inside. Then the electoral officer explained him to about the 2 boxes. ಅವಾಗ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನೋಡಪ್ಪ, inside there are 2 boxes are there. One is car, symbol is car. One more is, that is man's head. Okay, 2 boxes are there. By this time the spring had gone clean out his walk. He slided in and was confronted by the car and the head. He slided in means what? He went inside the booth and he confronted, hogi ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ ಏನನ್ನ? The symbol of car, the symbol of head. Is it clear? Very good. PAP party karu, the head is the, yes, he brought out his ballot paper na jebinda from his pocket. He took the ballot paper from his pocket and looked at it. Adan ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ. How could he betray Marcus? ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? Day and night he did work with Marcus. He took money from Marcus. Now the time has come to vote for Marcus, but he is ready to betray Marcus. ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ತನ್ನ ಯಜಮಾನಿಗೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಈವನ್ ಇನ್ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್, ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮೋಸನೇ ಅಂತ. he resolved to go back, he decided to go back. ಅವಾಗ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದ, ಇನ್ನರ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ roof said, no, I should not cheat I should not betray my owner, I should not cheat my Marcus EB, I should not cheat the PAP party. So he decided to go back to the other man, but return his 5 pounds. ಆ ಮ್ಯಾನಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ to return, why to go? To return the 5 pounds, 5 pound ನ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡೋಣ, 5 pounds ಥೂ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. he knew at once it was impossible. ಅವನಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು, after entering the booth they will not allow you to come out without casting your vote. So what he did, he had sworn on that eye. And one more thing it has come in his mind, already ದೇವರ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀಯಾ ಕಣಯ್ಯ, the notes were read, ಕೆಂಪು ನೋಟುಗಳು ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀಯಾ, the cocoa farmers busy at work, ಆ ನೋಟಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ರೈತರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. we are in the last paragraph, my dear. At this point he heard the muffled voice. When the roof was in the confusion state, he is standing up near the 2 boxes in the booth. He is standing near the 2 boxes where he should cast the vote now. Now his mind is in the trauma, he is in the confusion state. The policeman asking in the muffled voice, what was the man was doing inside? Because he is taking more time. Is a fraction of second work, he is taking more time. So the policeman used his the gruffed voice and he screamed. Okay, then what happened here? What was that statement? The man, what was the man doing inside? What the man was doing inside? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಓಟಕ್ ಬರಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂತ. This is the same, ಅದೇ ಇದು. Okay, the meaning of that Abina Pekin be born, that is the same. Okay, same meaning is the man was doing it. What the man was doing inside him. We are in the last paragraph of our chapter. Quick as lightning a thought leapt into the roof's mind. ಅವಾಗ ಅವನ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, hey roof, do it quickly, because the policeman, the officer is screaming there to come out. Then roof folded his ballot paper, he tore ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹರಿತಾನೆ ಅಂತ, he cut ಅಂತ, into two pieces. He cut that paper into 2 pieces and put one half in each. In each means what? In each means, yes, ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅರ್ಧದ ಪೇಪರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ ಅಂತ. what does it mean? What does it mean now? ಅವನ ಓಟು ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇನ್ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ ಓಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸಿ illiterate people ಮಾಡೋ ಕೆಲಸ, ಇಬ್ರಿಗೂ ಓಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತಾನೆ. the roof thought, I voted for both, I did not cheat anyone ಅಂತ. but it is a invalid vote. ಅವನು ಅದನ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದಿತ್ತು. to whom he wants to vote, he has to put that full paper in that one box. Now he took the precaution of putting, while he was putting the half paper in the box, he took a precaution. ನೋಡಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ, how much he is intelligent fellow. This fellow, while he was putting that ballot paper inside the box, he took a precaution. ಒಂದು precaution ತಗೊಂತಾನೆ ಏನಂತ, to put his first half, first ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, ಮಡುಕ means POP, because I promised that I will vote for you, so I will put first for whom? First for ಮಡುಕನಿಗೆ ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕೋದು ನಾನು ಅಂತ. first half he put in the box of what? Which symbol? Head. Okay, next confirming the action verbally, I vote for Maduka. ಅವನೇ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕಂತಾನೆ, yes, oh God, see here, I vote for Maduka. oh ದೇವರೇ, oh ಆಯಿ, I vote for Maduka ಅಂತ. they marked his thumb. vote ಹಾಕಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ they marked his thumb. that is the common thing, you know that. Okay, they will put a mark on your finger with a purple ink. indelible ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಳಿಸಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಫಾರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಮೈನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಓಕೆ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಓಕೆ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಮಾರ್ಕರ್ ಪರ್ಪಲ್ ಇಂಕ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿವೆಂಟ್ his return why they put that purple ink on his thumb yes to prevent his return okay see ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಏನಂತ even government knows the common people will try to cheat ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಕಳ್ಸೋರಲ್ವಾ ಜನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವರಿದ್ರೆ why they put this symbol ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಗುರುತು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು ಜನ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಮತ್ತೆ ತಿರುಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ and he went out of the booth ನಿಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ he went out of the booth how he came jauntily ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ನಿಟ್ಟುಸಿರು ಬಿಟ್ಕಂತ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ದೇವ್ರೆ ಮುಗೀತಪ್ಪ ನನ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಅಂತ and he had gone from there this is the end of this chapter okay on last 2 points are there we will revise here okay last 2 okay where is it yes see there what happened now Roof went inside the booth okay then Roof searched for his illegal ballot by a policeman searched the illegal ballot papers of Roof brought out his ballot paper looked at the 2 boxes ಎರಡು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ with car and with head ಎರಡು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ one box ಕಾರು one box head ಇದೆ half paper here but half paper first he put here why because he has taken money he not actually he did not put to has taken money he has put the vote for POP party because he promised on whom on this I mere aane madirtane that is the reason and not only that he left into the Roof's mind tore the ballot paper into the two ಎರಡು ತುಂಡುಗಳನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ and put one half in each box ಒಂದೊಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪೇಪರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಓಕೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ತಾನೆ he came out with the booth with confidence and pleasure ನೋಡಿ ಅಂತ ತಪ್ಪು ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ how he is coming with confidence which confidence I vote for Maduka ಅಂತ the confidence is with whom now with opponent party with enemy yes and pleasure ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಇಬ್ರಿಗೂ ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ it shows they are illiterate people ಅಂತ ಏನಂತ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಇದು they are illiterate people ಅಂತ ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ okay see here this one very important this chart always remember in your mind PAP POP okay here Marcus EB here Maduka Euro contest okay leader anta very good next here motor car symbol motor car here what is the symbol man's head very good okay now Roof is working as an assistant here local yes boys are local rascals we can okay 3 points over this is made by tribes this is from Umofia people means Igbo jana is it clear next one next point see here next point here Roof distributed how many 4 shillings these are the corruptions 4 shillings Roof ಗೆ ಅವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ bribe 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 5 pounds to whom to Roof ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ they had given 5 pounds 5 pounds ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ is it clear